Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to merge two PDF files without software. So without using any built-in software in our phone or PC, we can do it. The procedure is same for your Android, your iPhone, or your PC. So you have to go to your browser and search for I Love PDF. And then head over to this website. This might take a while to load, so let me pause it and head over to you guys once it is fully loaded. So once in there, just head over to the Merge PDF option, and here tap on Select PDF Files. This will lead you to the browsing section of your PDF sections. So you have to just select PDF files. Let's just say 2 of these. So tap on Select. And here 2 of the PDF files are selected. I'll tap on Merge PDF. As you can see, it is getting uploaded. And it might take a while to upload. And once it is done, it will be just merged together. So you have to just tap on the download button there and you can download it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.